Analysts predict that by 2020, 50 billion things will be connected to the internet. The equivalent of 6 devices for every person on the planet. That's the power to transform your home into a connected family hub. And now, Samsung has partnered with MasterCard to develop a new commerce application and a smarter way of shopping for groceries right from your refrigerator. Introducing Groceries by MasterCard. Experience seamless ordering for multiple merchants, where you can add everyday items to your intelligent cart and pay with a single secure checkout. Keep your fridge well stocked and your home happy with Groceries by MasterCard.